What's going on, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. Well, Dogecoin ends up pumping 20% and then immediately drops down 20%. So what's going on? How low are we going to go? Let me show you guys some bearish signs, but honestly, I think this market's going to actually turn around here faster than people think. Honestly, I really do, guys. We're currently sitting at 121 wins and 0 losses. We are not unaccustomed to drops in the market, guys. We've traded through the entire bear market cycle, and we are not worried about this, and we still have never lost a trade. So, guys, if you're literally watching this YouTube video right now and you're brand new and you're like, I want a place to trade where I may never have to lose a trade again. We've done 121 wins in a row and we've never lost a trade, guys. That was on, the last one we took was on Luna for 5.31% for the entire trade is what we exited. So guys, come over here and trade. I've got $150,000 on the line and we're basically sitting close to break even, about down $1,000 here. And so let's go into the analysis today and it's just going to be a blast. Okay. Yesterday, I ended up calling out in the Telegram channel. Again, guys, this is like having me on text message. I was talking to you guys about Doge. It's my biggest last message. I was like, guys, my eyes are on Doge. Dogecoin was just taking the limelight yesterday of how fast it was moving up. I was like, guys, if you're in profit on this trade and you want to personally exit because you want to exit, guys, that's 100% okay. Take some profit. And I explained to you guys how I'm going to be waiting to take profit on this. And not like we're going to wait until 23 cents, guys. I'm going to wait. Listen to this carefully. Too many people, and I'm speaking of retail traders and traders in general, even institutions I know that do this, that I've been on phone calls with, so many of them are okay holding their trades into a loss 30 to 40%, but they're not okay being patient and waiting for money to come back into the market to get past their break evens. And then let me take this a step further. People aren't patient enough to actually gain 30 to 40% on their trades. Guys, I just did an Ethereum video. We're up 44% from our entry on Ethereum when I entered in the $49,000 on January 24th. I'm holding that to prove to you guys and show you guys this is how you need to be trading. Some people over here are doing $43,000 and they're doing thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. This is how I want you guys to be trading. It is so important that you guys watch this. Okay, I get excited and jacked up about this. Price to well money flow, trend exhaustion. All of you guys who had money in Dogecoin, when trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high like this, you need to be watching for drops back down. You have to be watching. Guys, these are the two most accurate indicators you will ever use for crypto. I know this because I've literally coded indicators for TradingView.com users about 2.5 years ago. It's how I made my living. I've coded hundreds of indicators and I've put some of the most brilliant people, I would honestly say in the world because I have connections to code indicators. I know how this market moves down after having the highest win rate on YouTube. I hope this doesn't sound arrogant, guys, but like we know how to time these markets pretty well. Okay, when you have trend exhaustion pushing the top right section and well money flow high, you guys need to be watching for drops back down. Watch the emotional index too. When this gets greedy over here, guys, you cannot see the market continue to move up. I will also show you guys how institutions were shorting this, and I will prove it to you guys with the metrics today. The power you have in your hands, once you have indicators and metrics like this, it's a game changer. Guys, I'm so happy to report we have the highest win rate ever on YouTube that we can find. We may have the highest win rate ever in crypto, and it's because we're using tools like this to help us with this. Now, can we head down further? Yes, Dogecoin can head down quite a bit further, guys, but I don't think it's going to be the biggest drop you guys think. Let's take a Fibonacci retracement really quick from the high to the low of this trend. We are getting very close to the 50% retracement, as well as we are at structure support right now around this area. Okay, let me take you guys over to the S&P 500, which is I don't want to say it's the reason why, but I think it's a big reason why. We gapped down this morning on the global markets. I mentioned to you guys that we need to be watching this bounce zone right here, which is a bounce for a bounce down and up. It was around 458. I haven't taken this off the chart because it's the structure high here. I was looking for this move back down or a blast back up, but we're talking about double tops up here. The next spot that you all need to be marking up on S&P 500 is $441.50. That is the next strongest support you guys need to be watching on the S&P 500 for this to bounce back up. But if it goes down further, where is Dogecoin going to go? Let me show you where it's going to go. If that does move down, it's most likely going to bring us to this structure right here and this structure over here based off percentages of how low we can go there. So Dogecoin, I would not be surprised if we move down to about 14, 15 cents. No, excuse me, not 15. We're already below that. About 14 even. I would say about 14 even is probably a really good estimate that puts us exactly, if you guys see those crosshairs, exactly it puts us at this structure high right here. That will mean trend exhaustion is coming down lower, and when that happens, guys, the springboard action back up here is probably going to be ridiculous. Don't panic on this move down. If I can say this to you guys, my family of traders out there, when trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is low, you need to actually look for the move back up that's coming. Okay? This is not something to panic about. Yes, it can head down further, but I really believe this is going to see a move back up. These days of Dogecoin back down here, I believe are completely done for the year. They're done. I'm confident in saying that, okay? Get these indicators in the description. They're 82% off. You know, if I'm going to talk about them, I might as well give you guys a ridiculous discount because they're so accurate. Make sure you guys are picking these up today so you can snag that. Let's go over here now. Let's talk about the actual metrics for this. Let me show you guys really quickly where to access and how to do this. TradeConfident.io. You guys see our win rate. It's clear. All you guys are paying is $95 a month. You guys will get access to all the metrics, the Telegram channel, all the entries and exits I call. All the master classes are yours. The community chat where you get to hang out with other people like-minded who are trading this strategy, who have never lost trades before. Like, how about joining a community of traders who have never lost trades? What kind of ridiculous confidence can you gain from those type of people? That's what we have over here. It's awesome, and I thank God that he's blessed us with this wisdom and knowledge to do this, okay? I'm also going to be going live with you guys on Zoom in 8 days, April 14th from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're all going to jump on a Zoom call. I'm going to talk about the markets, teach you guys some things, and do an open Q&A session. Right now is the best time to jump on this so you guys can get into these markets. Okay, let's go over here. Let's scroll down to Dogecoin and let's dive in. So you guys saw the emotional index was really greedy. When the emotional index for the market is greedy and excited, what I just like to do, I literally do this on the videos and I do this myself, is I circle these and I say, okay, what has historically happened last time we've seen this market moves? We see drops every single time. Like, even if it's small in the market, we're seeing this. I'm like, oh my gosh, there's no way this thing is going to keep moving back up. Like, I'm circling every one over here, and we can see this. It's started to see a move back down, especially when we push up into the greedy area. We saw a bear market cycle take over here. All right, so this was not unexpected. Guys, the power you can brag to your friends with. Hey, we saw in Trade Confident the emotional index was high and we sold our long trades. Our trend exhaustion and price per money flow was high, so we sold them. Like, guys, if you're other YouTube creators out there and you're watching this and you guys want to snag these, like, I didn't even plan on saying this, but like, hit us up. We do have an affiliate program if you guys want, and we can help you guys if you guys want to help, share this with your members. People are doing that because we're making a pretty ridiculous amount of money over here. We have traders that did like 43 grand with our indicators. It's insane. Okay, looking at Dogecoin over here, long trades, let me get us a little bit closer here. Long trades did move out yesterday, and short trades are basically staying the same. You know what? Short trades staying the same. That doesn't move me too much, but when long trades move out of the market, it tells me that long trades are not confident it's going to head up any further. Another metric to watch, guys, that you can have in your tool belt. Look at this, market cap strength. Yes, the market cap was moving up super fast, and millions, guys, like millions of dollars pushed into this pump here, and then it all went away. Why did it go away? Let me move you guys down to this metric down here. First of all, we saw this push up into the great short trade yesterday. And guys, this is why I love showing you guys these metrics. Yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is when it went off. Let me find you guys 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time yesterday. That was right around this area right here. This is 9. Do you guys see this where it says 9 at the bottom? Right around this area, like almost at the top here, this metric called for you guys to look for a short trade. If you guys did that, you're all in the profit. Now let me show you this. Yesterday, at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this came out here and said, hey, heads up, guys, short trades are blasting through the market right now with well-institutional and smart money. That was the place to exit. The metrics told you, the indicators told you, this is how we're keeping traders safe and how you guys are making really good money. The tools cannot be faked. I purposely show you this before the metrics update to show the integrity of these metrics. This is showing us, look how much aggressiveness, the purchase aggressiveness is in the orange bars. If they come down really strong here, and we've seen this level before, the market dropped here, the market dropped there, the market dropped over here, the market dropped here. So when you guys are seeing these orange bars come out that aggressively, that's where we're looking for the drop back down. So great job for all of you guys who use the metrics and the indicators to look at this. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup for Dogecoin here, which I do believe is a really good time to get into a long trade because, look, buy on the dip, guys, buy on the dip. Structure move down here, we're looking at 14 cents. I do believe it's just 14 cents, guys. I don't think we're going to head too much lower than 14 cents before we see some type of move back up, okay? So again, it's right at that structure of 14 cents. If we break 14, then we're looking down here about 13.12, which then just puts us at the bottom of the structures right here. Let me make this a little bit bigger so we can see this. Puts us at bottom of the structures right about here. So I don't think, guys, that we're actually going to head down below 12.5. I think 12.5 is actually the lowest we could possibly go. Guys, honestly, I don't think this is going to go down lower than 13.2. So I think around 13 is the lowest we could possibly go here, and then we're going to see some type of bounce back up. We may actually see the bounce back up today, honestly. But if we do head down a little bit further, that's where I'm looking for a target. Overall, how do you make money out of this? Let me show you that, because that's what you guys are here to make and do, right? Is to make some money. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys got into any of these, you're doing really well. You got in back here, so you guys are still holding into the profit. So great job. So let's move into this section of the video, and then we'll just end this after this. Guys, the trade setup. I want to keep it private for our members because I know you guys are paying for this, but let me show you guys how to do this on Bitcoin, because I will be going over Bitcoin charts today, but this is how we trade our strategy, how we have never lost a single trade ever. Okay, people are using these to make incredible amounts of money. Choose the amount that you guys want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions and place $250, which is a fourth of 1,000, at each of the buy limits in yellow. Here's your buy limits. You're going to see the exact same thing on Dogecoin. 1, 2, 3, 4 buy limits, just like that. This morning, guys, most likely you're going to get tagged into the first buy limit, and then you're going to set up a sell limit in your exchange for 100% exit in the green. It's very simple, guys. Everything is laid out. Once your first buy limit is hit and all these are set up here, just follow me in Telegram, and I'm going to be calling exits for you guys. Now, the question is, well, I don't want to wait until you're back up into the profit, Travis. That's totally fine. What you can do is just wait for the trend exhaustion to go back in the top red section, scalp this, guys, for 3 to 4% profit, or when you're back up into the profit, and take your profit. It really is that simple. I'm not trying to make this seem like, oh, this is simple to trade because we've never lost a trade, but at some point, it actually does become really simple to trade because we've proven the strategy. Like, we're not nervous about drops. Like, I already traded through this drop over here, and we never lost a trade through here. And not only never losing, we have the healthiest account on all of YouTube we can find. Actually, in crypto, we're basically at break even, and we have traded through the entire dip. Accounts right now are down 40 to 45% on average. Look at your own account, 40 to 45%. The testimonials you see coming out from our channel and on our website is from people using our strategy, and they're actually, some of them are in profit because they're using the risk management. Guys, the days of FOMOing in with all your money into a position are over. It's done. Like, don't ever do it again. If I can be strong and say that. Always dollar cost average and use our strategy, so we're going to keep your money safe. It's not worth it. I know the emotions of, jackpot wins are super fun. I understand that. And just be honest with yourself. If you guys want to jackpot some of these trades, look, use our indicator called the pressure gauge. This is jokingly called the jackpot indicator because it's ridiculous at calling pumps, like up or down. But guys, do it with like 5% of your account, not the whole thing, okay? In order to predict these drops in the market, get these 3 indicators right here. They're 40% off. Get that, that's fine. The bundle pack today, you guys should be getting this right now. I'm just being honest. You guys should be having this in your tool belt and when you're trading. I have it 82% off, and you're going to get all of our indicators, okay? 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before for Forex. Incredible. These indicators here are literally making people thousands of dollars. Trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow. Use this, don't even use a coupon code, sorry. It's just click this link here and you guys will get 82% off all the indicators. What people are doing with these indicators is insane. They're doing $6,310 in 13 days with our indicators in our strategy. You guys can see this right here. I'm just going to quote them. $3,500 this week. This was last week using the indicators and metrics. Okay? This guy over here does $1,376. That's awesome. He's up $4,000 since late December. And I bet he has a super healthy account too on the drop because he used dollar cost average entries. This guy does $43,000 over here in 2 months. Okay? He can live off that easily. $100 to $400 a week. All right, this guy's over here is like, I have the indicators and I feel like a god. It's super awesome. This guy's done $7,000 since March 1st. All right, we are keeping people's money safe because you've worked hard enough for your hundreds of thousands of dollars or your tens of thousands or your thousands of dollars you're putting into the market. Let's keep it safe. Okay, guys, let's keep our money safe and make good amounts of money. And guys, let's never have a losing trade again. I think that's actually possible. So guys, snag a membership. Come over here and join us. It's just $95 a month. Get access to all of this. And then make sure you guys are joining the chat. The chat is so awesome. Like, it's cool to have signals where you guys get all of my entries, all of my exits, and I'm going to keep everything transparent in Telegram. We've never lost a trade. That's awesome. But then you guys are like, you get all the metrics suites. Yes, I'm going into sell mode right now. But honestly, and then you guys actually get a community of people to chat with and talk about. And like, look, they're already talking about the drop today. And they're like, Travis has started playing out expectation on Monday. So they're like, yeah, Travis has already called this drop already. So you guys are helping each other out here. And it's super awesome to see you guys like just talking to each other. Like, we have a community now. And this is the best move. I'm sorry this video is long, guys. In the video if you want. But I have to make this call out for Jake. Jake is one of the guys on our team, myself, Jake, and Josh. Jake was like, dude, we need to have a community chat. And I'm like, I was hesitant to do it for a while, but you guys love this, and we may be adding something fun to this. Just FYI, I'm actually gonna have a meeting with the team today to talk about something fun we can add. But Honestly, the community and family you guys join over here, I think is going to be, it's worth hundreds of dollars a month. So I didn't mean to turn this into a sales video. I just got really passionate, and I'm unashamedly going to be like, guys, spend the $95 a month, join a membership. We've never lost a trade. We'll keep your account safe. I'm not a financial advisor, but look at the testimonials what people are doing, and I think you're going to be confident that this is where you guys need to be trading for the rest of the year and the years to come, because I'm not changing my strategy, guys. It works far, far too well. All right, guys, watch for the move down a little bit further on Doge. I wouldn't doubt, just a little bit further down, and then watch for the rebound back up is what I'm calling. All right, guys, God bless you so much. The links to the indicators and the membership are in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Everything you guys need there. Click it, set it up, and keep watching the videos, and email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com if you have any questions, or just join the chat and start talking to the members and talk to some people who have never lost trades. It's pretty awesome. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video coming out. I'll do a Bitcoin video next, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye, guys.